Hello. Good morning. This is a residential home here in Arizona. What you're looking at are these two rust dots. And these two little pins come up against the form in the correct position. And right in the middle here is the post-tension cable. Once these start rusting, it goes directly into the saddle. And right behind the saddle is the hairpin. Hairpin's made of steel. It's all made of steel, basically. And then a low voltage electrical current starts. It takes moisture, oxygen, and steel to start corrosion. And the chloride ions start getting busy, and they expand and start busting out the whole side of these post-tension foundations. Because of the fact that these foundations are only 12 inches tall, it's very easy for the moisture to go in underneath and evaporate up. The humidity or water vapor transmission gets behind that steel and starts to expand it. This whole foundation here is absolutely being torn to pieces. So what you look for are these little rust dots. Here's the next cable. And this patch material is just coming off. You know, no one patches these things very well at all. They don't waterproof or paint it. And we don't have any rain gutters on this home either. Even though it's Arizona and it hardly ever rains in Arizona, it's very important to waterproof all of your foundations before the dirt is even poured back next to the home. And rain gutters. For more information about post-tension foundations waterproofing, contact James, 602-418-2970. Or you can always go to concreterepairman.com for more information. Thanks for watching and have a great day.